Hello you guys, it's early in the morning, around 7:30, and here I am, wide awake, dressed as a unicorn. Do you hear the cows? They're wide awake as well. And the dogs. Halloween has passed, so you may be wondering what is wrong with her. Well, this onesie is A, very warm, B, super cozy, and C, extremely cute. But the most important reason is that today we're doing a challenge. We're eating only unicorn food the entire day. Actually, I'm eating. You guys are only watching and probably thinking this girl has lost her mind. But anyway, I'm excited to live my best unicorn life for a day, so come along. I just wanted to share this beautiful moment with you guys. Isn't it gorgeous? I come to sit here and enjoy this almost every morning. Unicorns would approve. It's time to head to the kitchen and get some food. Unicorn sleepers? Check. The first thing I always do when I wake up is drink. Usually a big glass of water, chlorella, spirulina, liquid chlorophyll, something like that. However, none of this is unicorn looking. So we have a problem. Spirulina, green. Liquid chlorophyll, green. Water, transparent. Wait, as far as I know, unicorns are a type of a horse. Horses drink water, which means that unicorns also drink water. Consequently, me today being a unicorn, I'm totally allowed to drink water. But to make my water drinking experience a bit more unicorny, I'm gonna drink my water from a unicorn mug. What? I know there's nothing unicorny about this simple white mug, but that is about to change. Here I have some porcelain markers and let's transform this mug into a beautiful unicorn. Okay, first I have to make a sketch with this normal marker, otherwise this project would end up very poorly. I suck at freehand drawing, you already know that. And this is great because if you make a mistake, you can simply wipe and try again. Now let's color everything up, do the outline, and here we have it. Customizing mugs is always a lot of fun. You can make it for a present or even for yourself. Finally, I can drink. I'm so thirsty already. Breakfast. I am very excited, you guys, because yesterday when I was grocery shopping, I found this. A legit unicorn cereal. Whoa! I seriously didn't know that this thing existed. And to me personally, these colors don't really look super unicorn.
When I think unicorn color palette, I imagine pastel pinks, purples, baby blue, maybe yellow, just soft colors.
But this thing here is more like hot pink, purple, beetroot red. What? But hey, it says unicorn on the box, so it's made for unicorns and I'm a unicorn today, so I'm gonna eat it. I'm very interested to see if the actual cereal looks like the picture on the box. Well, check this out. Are you a cereal first or a milk first kind of person? I am a cereal first, always. Well, now that I'm looking at it in real life, it does seem a lot more unicorn appropriate. It's pastel-y, we have pinks, purples and yellows. It's a girly unicorn. Cute. I've never tried any of these fruity, colorful cereals, so I'm thrilled to give it a go. First bite. I mean, I can totally understand why kids love this. They look adorable and they're pretty yummy. Sweet, sugary, basically more like a dessert than a breakfast to me. So I wouldn't want to eat this every day, but when you are a unicorn, desserts for breakfast are totally allowed.
I must say though, I'm still a chocolate cereal kind of gal, so these fruity loops haven't really won me over.
And to be completely honest, I don't buy or eat cereal at all. I used to love it when I was younger, but then I realized how much sugar is in here and I said enough. No more. But today is an exception because unicorns deserve a sweet breakfast. And if you remember last time when I was eating Galaxy food, I had a strawberry ice cream milkshake with whipped cream for breakfast. Compared to that, I'm eating like an angel today. I haven't even finished breakfast and I'm already thinking, what dessert should I have after lunch? We need a good plan because sometimes desserts need a little prep. Should we make an ice cream? No. Sorbet? A mousse? I know, I'm gonna make unicorn cookies. I could make cookies from scratch, but I'm sorry, I'm lazy, so I bought a packet of classic chocolate chips cookies. I know what you're thinking. Sarah, there's nothing unicorny about these cookies. I agree, I'm aware, so let's try and fix that. I'm gonna try to transform this big chocolate chip cookie into a cute unicorn one. To do that, we need a glaze, powdered sugar and a few tablespoons of milk. Mix well until you get a thick and fluffy icing. Now we want to separate it into two bowls. Color one in light blue and leave the other one white. I want my cookies to have a marbly white-blue glaze. To achieve that, I'm gonna add some of that blue glaze into the white one and make a few swirls. Next, we're gonna dip the cookie in the marbly frosting and see what happens. Whoa! I like it, although it's not unicorny enough. We need all the sprinkles. Ta-da! Our unicorn cookies are done. We just need to let the glaze harden, which will take about an hour or two. So they will be ready just in time for the dessert after lunch. In the meantime, I wanna paint my nails. What nail art are we making today? Unicorn, duh! And which colors do we need for that? Pastels.
Pink, baby blue, minty green, lavender, yellow, and a white one.
I love this color combo, perfect for my mix and match unicorn nails. I'm gonna color the ring finger and the middle finger in baby blue. For pointer and pinky, let's choose pink. And the thumb will be white. On my middle finger, I'm gonna draw a white unicorn. Make a circle on the bottom half of the nail using white nail polish. Using a tiny paintbrush, I'm gonna draw the ears and the horn. I need to apply 2 layers of nail polish to make it really opaque. Unicorns have pink ears, except me, I have purple, but we're gonna add a pink accent. As for the horn, we're gonna color it in yellow. Dip the brush in black and make 2 little curved lines for the eyes. Long perky lashes are a must for every unicorn. Lastly, I'm gonna make 3 minty and lavender dots just below the horn. On the ring finger, we're creating a pastel rainbow. Make a wide stripe down the center of the nail, stopping about 2/3 of the way. Draw your pastel rainbow using a small paintbrush. Dip a dotting tool or a Q-tip in white nail polish and draw a white fluffy cloud. On the pinky and pointer, we're making very easy designs. Make 2 larger white dots and fill them up with smaller baby blue dots. For the thumb, I chose a simple stripy design. Voila, nails are done and I am obsessed. Probably the cutest and sweetest nails I've ever created. Next, it's time to get dressed and I also want to do a little unicorn makeover. We're talking unicorn hair, makeup, all that. Sounds fun. Guys, look what I just found on the grass. What is this sorcery? Is this kind of a mushroom? Whoa, interesting. For the outfit, I have a few options. As you can see, my wardrobe is pretty colorful. I even have this real unicorn t-shirt. Or is this a unicorn? No, definitely not a unicorn. We are missing a horn. I'm sorry, little guy, you're not a unicorn. So we have a little pony, which honestly could work. My only concern is that today is quite chilly, so I may be cold wearing just a t-shirt. We need to find something warmer. Like this sweater, it is so soft, not itchy, and the colors are very unicorn appropriate. Goes perfectly with the nails as well. If it was warmer, I would probably choose these shorts, but it's winter, so I'm gonna go with jeans. Mom jeans or overalls? Overalls. I think I also have some unicorn pins which we can put in here. Which ones do you prefer? These ones or these ones? I think I'm gonna go for these. Let's get dressed and then on to hair and makeup.
Outfit is on, hair and makeup time. This background could use some unicorn sparkles.
Yeah, let me just fix that real quick.
Now this is much better.
My hair looks super matte today, so I want to try making some heatless curls. I've seen this hack on TikTok where you twist your hair around the rope tie.
Okay, sounds interesting.
Let's give it a go. Very interested to see if we can get some decent curls this way. If you don't hold the hair twisted, it will kind of untie, so I'm just gonna tie the whole thing to my pants.
Luckily we went for overalls and not the mom jeans.
Hopefully this keeps them in place. I doubt I'm gonna get a nice hairstyle from this thing. On the other hand, in case of a disaster, we can always resort to a ponytail. While this thing is doing its magic, it's time for unicorn makeup. For the eyes, let's go for pink in the crease. Add a bit more depth with purple. Smudge some under the lower lash line. Blue on the lids. Blue in the waterline. Shimmery white inner corners. Black cat liner. Mascara. Brow gel. Lots of pink blush. And of course the sparkly highlighter. Lips. I have lots of pinky, purpley and blue lipsticks, but this time I just want to keep it a bit more casual on the lips. Let's color them up with this pink lip liner.
I think this was a good call. This color matches the eyes perfectly.
Let's just add some shimmer to the center of the lid. This makes them a bit more plump and unicorny. Makeup done. Are you also excited to see if this hack has done anything at all? Because that makes 2 of us. I'm scared. Are we ready? I'm not. Whoa. How do you take this off without tangling your hair for life? Oh no.
Oh no.
Guys, I'm stuck with this. Oh, here it goes. We did get some curls. Actually, it's not bad at all.
I just changed my mind completely.
I want to pin it back a little bit though, so I'm gonna use this hair clip, the pink one and the blue one. There we go, looks unicorny, looks bouncy, we love that. Unicorn makeover is finished and it's almost time for lunch, so we better get cooking. craving a healthy lunch because in this kind of challenges, usually I eat like poo-poo and in the end I end up feeling like poo-poo. We have to do better this time. First task, making the purple rice. Chop up half of the red cabbage, place in a pot filled with water and cook for about 30 minutes. When that's done, pour everything through the sifter and whoa, the cabbage looks so pretty pastel purple and the water looks super purple as well. We're gonna use this unicorn water and cook the rice in it. While the rice is simmering away, I'm gonna make 2 hard-boiled eggs. Gonna leave them cook for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's chop an avocado. The happiness when you get a perfect avocado. Are you guys like that as well? Water has evaporated and our rice is looking gorgeous and most importantly, healthy. No food colorings were added. The eggs are done cooking so we can peel them. This kind of reminds me of Easter. Peeling the eggs is so satisfying, especially when they're easy to peel, like this one. Perfect eggs, perfect avocado, we're lucky today. We're gonna put everything on a plate. Not to brag, but we made an amazing unicorn lunch. Let's dig in. I am so hungry. To be honest, that cereal in the morning just wasn't enough. I'm used to having quite big breakfast, and that thing was very little. But thankfully, lunch is here for the rescue. Rice looks 10 out of 10. Taste? It's fine. A solid 7. I love rice. Avocado? Yum. Always gets a 10 from me. I have one every single day. Probably the best food ever. Eggs? Eggs are eggs. I like them. Always my savior when I need some easy, quick and healthy for lunch. Eggs get an 8 for sure. This cabbage is just wow. I give it a 10 just because of this gorgeous color. Nice. Good to have some vegetable in here. Last bite. This lunch was awesome, but now it's time for something even better. What could that be? A dessert. The unicorn cookies have set and the frosting has hardened. Besides these cuties, I also want to make a yummy unicorn drink. Here I have a packet of strawberry milk. I've never tasted it. Hope it's good. We'll see. Just gonna pour it into a glass. Ooh, a pretty pink color. Unicorns love that. Smells like a strawberry milkshake. This will be yum. Of course, we have to top it with some whipped cream. Marshmallows, these look just like a unicorn. I'm gonna add 3 marshmallows and finally sprinkles. The more the merrier. Reusable straw and our dessert is served. What a gorgeous unicorn meal. Just a few minutes ago I was talking about how we need to keep it healthy today and now this. Apparently health is going down the drain. Cheers to that. Oh well, I'm only being a unicorn once in my life. Strawberry milk. Delicious. Wasn't expecting much when I saw it in the store, but oh yeah, it delivered. It smells like a strawberry shake and it tastes like a strawberry shake. It's just not as thick. Whipped cream? Yes. When has whipped cream disappointed? Never. A marshmallow? Well, I'm not a big marshmallow fan, but this one was quite good. When I was a kid and I tried marshmallow for the first time, it straight up tasted like detergent. Not kidding.
It was such a bad first impression, it left a mark. So now I'm always skeptical about marshmallows. But this one's quite okay.
Now on to the cookie. Still can't get over how cute these are. So adorable. Very happy I finally get to eat them. I like it. It's like chocolate chip cookie, but make it sweeter. That's basically what it is. A simple cookie with a ton of powdered sugar on top. A perfect treat for a unicorn. This frosting idea is actually very cool. If you need to make Halloween, Christmas, Easter cookies, but you don't have time to make them from scratch, buy some simple cookies and decorate them accordingly. Easy hack. It's 3 in the afternoon and I really want to make a fun unicorn activity. Last time I did galaxy slime, which was super fun, but I don't want to do slime again. Maybe some other DIY. I know! I'm gonna make a big unicorn poop from clay. Let's go! Should I bring the table outside and make the unicorn poop here, or should I do it inside? It's such a beautiful day, I want to make the most of it. Also, check out these beautiful flowers. It really is the perfect day to be outside because it's not windy, it's not super sunny, it's overcast. Yeah, let's do it here. I'm just gonna go grab the supplies. I bought this air drying soft clay a while ago and I think it will be perfect for our unicorn poop. This clay is so soft and smooth, I love it so much. It's almost like butter slime, so satisfying. To make the unicorn poop, we need to roll each color into a spaghetti. Blue, pink, orange. Join the 3 spaghetti straps, twist, and roll. We get one giant unicorn worm. The final step is to twist it into a poop shape. Here it is, the one and only Mr. Unicorn Poo. You're wondering, what's the purpose of this guy? Good question. It can be your friend, it can be a room decoration, it can be your lucky charm that you take everywhere. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it to dry and now it's dinner time. I have my dinner pretty early, around 5 or maybe 6. When do you guys have your dinner? Our neighbor here has like the greenest grass I've ever seen. Wow. Isn't there a quote about how neighbor's grass is always greener? I know there's a deeper meaning behind this quote, but here it holds literally. 99% of the times I have a big salad for dinner, but there's two problems with that. A, the salad is not really unicorn looking. B, I'm a bit lazy and don't really feel like making a salad right now. So I'm thinking, how about we make a cute unicorn toast? I haven't had a toast in years and today's the day. 2 slices of bread. You can make them all warm and crispy in a toaster. Honestly, I'm too lazy. I just want my dinner ASAP. Look what I bought yesterday, a cookie cutter in the shape of a unicorn. Adorable. Cut the unicorn silhouette out of just 1 slice of bread. You get a perfect unicorn piece of bread and a unicorn frame, which we're gonna use for our toast. As for this one, we don't need it, but we're not gonna throw it away. It's a unicorn shaped bread, aka a unicorn food, aka I'm gonna eat it. Leave the 2 pieces of bread on the side for now and grab some cream cheese.
Listen, I know I said I want to eat healthy today and the cream cheese toast isn't really the healthiest of options.
Totally aware of that. But don't you worry, because I'm gonna mix some so-called superfoods into my cream cheese. This will make my meal more nutrient dense and it will even add some unicorn colors. Spirulina for green, curcumin for yellow, and acai for pink. I'm gonna mix this into the cream cheese. The only questionable thing here is the taste. We'll see how it goes. Voila, my 3 cream cheese colors. Pretty unicorny, right? I would prefer having blue spirulina instead of green, but it works. I'm gonna spread each color diagonally on a piece of bread. Let's start in the top right corner and move down. Place the piece of bread with the unicorn hole on top and come on! Isn't it so cute? Besides my unicorn toasty, I also want to have a little dessert. These mini yogurts will do. I'm just gonna take 1 of each color. To be completely honest, this dinner doesn't really look amazing. No, actually the looks are fine. It's cute, it's unicorny, it's fun. I'm more concerned about the taste. Once again, let's take a look at our unicorn toasty. Wow, such an adorable idea, especially for kids. Alright, first bite. It's not bad actually. I must say I quite like it. You know what else would be fun? If you're making a breakfast for a loved one, you can cut out a shape of a heart and spread inside the strawberry jam. That would be so cute. Or for Christmas, make a Christmas tree hole and spread in the green hummus. Amazing. That's fun. I'm definitely using this idea in one way or another in the future as well. Dessert time! Not the coolest and the most extravagant dessert ever, but this will do. Raspberry, peach and a strawberry. Sounds delicious. I hope the colors of the actual yogurts are as pretty as the packaging. Only one way to find out. Raspberry first. Very pastel-y pink.
I like it, it's unicorn approved.
The peach one. Pastel-y yellow or orange as well. Amazing. And the strawberry. Very light with a more yellowy pink tint. It works. Okay, taste test. I have a feeling I will like peach the most, then raspberry and lastly strawberry. Let's see if my prediction is correct. Peach. Yeah, the peach one is good. Okay, raspberry. It is equally as good. Strawberry. The strawberry is also yummy. These are equally delicious. I mean, they're sugary yogurts for kids. What would we expect? Anyway, guys, I had a ton of fun today. Really loved being a unicorn for a day. The food was tasty. These nails, come on, you have to give them a go. They're gorgeous. I think I finished this challenge with success. I got 2 unicorn approval stamps. Boom, boom. Now I'm a certified unicorn. Wait, this is cute. I want more. Okay, now I need more challenges like this, so leave your requests below. Sending you a sweet unicorn kiss and see you soon. Bye!